Now we are going to discuss about electromagnetic wave equation in free space by using the Maxwell's equations. There are four Maxwell equations. There are four Maxwell equations. They are, first equation is Gauss law for electrostatics or electricity, which is del dot E equals to rho by epsilon naught, and second equation del dot B equals to 0, Gauss law for magnetism, and third equation del cross E equals to minus dou B by dou T, and fourth equation del cross H equals to, or you can write del cross B equals to mu naught times of J plus epsilon naught dou E by dou T. Probably you might remember del cross B is Ampere's law. The Ampere's law is del cross B equals to mu naught into J, and this equation is modified Ampere's law, which is del cross B equals to mu naught times of J plus epsilon naught dou E by dou T. For a free space, current density and charge density both are zeros. That means your equation 1 del dot E will become 0, and del cross B, which is mu naught times of J, will become 0, mu naught epsilon naught dou E by dou T you are going to get. By applying for a free space, these four equations become del dot E equals to 0 and del dot B equals to 0. Del cross E becomes minus dou B by dou T, and del cross B becomes mu naught epsilon naught dou E by dou T. The first two equations, let us name them as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. From equation 1, 2 are already 0. Now what we are going to do is let us apply curl on this equation number 3 and curl on equation number 4, and we'll be getting an equation in terms of del square E equals to so and so, del square B equals to so and so. Let us apply curl on equation 3. We get equation 3 is del cross E equals to minus dou B by dou T. So that means del cross E equals to minus times of del cross of dou B by dou T, right? And this part del cross E is nothing but del dot E times of del minus del dot del minus del dot del into E, which equals to minus dou by dou T of del cross B. This expansion we generally get from the vector space. Vector calculus, probably you remember A cross of B cross you can write as A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. Same fashion we expand this one. Now let us substitute the values of equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this equation. We get by substituting the value of equation 1 from equation 1, which is del dot E is 0 and del cross B is equation number 4. From equations 1 and 4, del dot E is 0 minus, this is del dot del is del square into E, which equals to minus dou by dou T of del cross B is nothing but mu naught epsilon naught dou E by dou T. Mu naught epsilon naught dou E by dou T. Minus and gets cancelled. You will be getting del square E equals to mu naught epsilon naught times of dou by dou T is nothing but dou square E by dou T square. Right? Similarly, if we apply curl on equation 4, we get del square B equals to mu naught epsilon naught dou square B by dou T square. Right? So I name this equation as a 5 and this equation as 6. Right? This equation number 5 and 6 are similar to the mechanical wave equation. The mechanical wave equation is del square y, which equals to 1 by v square into dou square y by dou T square. These are the similar analogy. If I compare this one, I get by comparing these equations, we get 1 by v square equals to mu naught epsilon naught, and v is nothing but root over 1 by root over mu naught epsilon naught. By substituting the values of mu naught and epsilon naught value, we'll be getting the values of 2.998 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This equation is similar to the mechanical wave equation. From this, we can conclude that the electric and magnetic fields can be propagated as waves in free space, and they travel with the speed of light.